Hey, how's it going? AudaciousGreen here again. We're playing Dishonored still. Last time we, I don't know, last time wasn't too productive, I guess, but we searched around this whole Hound Pits pub, I guess. We talked to Piero, and then we went to bed, and we woke up and we had a dream, or what we thought was a dream, but we just woke up and we had the Outsider's mark still on our hand, so that's pretty crazy. So either it was a dream and I don't know, maybe some guy just was tattooing your hand and while you were in the dream or something, or it actually happened and the Outsider is real. Anyway, so now we have to go see Admiral Havelock. Where's this son of a bee?
Should I clear a space for Samuel then?
If you like, but he won't use it.
Who's talking?
Why?
He can't sleep in regular beds anymore, or that's what he says.
Duck.
Says he was in the Navy too long. Can
Who's
you believe
this?
it?
Oh,
Oh, Cecilia.
That pile of wood
Hello,
out there?
Cecilia.
It's a...
good day.
Yeah, I
Mr.
just
Cora.
interrupted you. I feel like that might have been some actual important conversation, though. Maybe that I should have listened to, but whatever. Let's talk to Havelock.
Let's get down to it.
Okay?
First off, I know that assassination is dark business.
Yeah.
But sometimes, good men have to do bad things
I
to
got
make
you.
the world right. Our purpose is clear. We want to restore Her
Wait.
Majesty's line by finding and putting Emily Caldwin on the throne.
Oh, cool.
To those ends, we'll hide, act in shadow, take them apart, piece by piece.
Peace.
Tonight, High
Where's
Overseer
my drink?
Campbell dies by your hand. It won't be easy. He's protected by his overseers, an army of religious zealots. But if anyone can do it, you can.
Yeah,
Your exploits are legendary.
I know. I'm
Campbell
pretty damn
carries a
awesome.
private journal. Once you've eliminated him, get the journal, because we think it contains Emily's location. Recovering her is obviously critical, assuming she's alive. That's the gist of it.
She's just
Remember
dead
our
this whole
cause
time.
and strike true. We're counting on you.
I'm counting on myself, too. 1,
Another
2, 3.
Campbell is holding a former overseer by the name of Martin. He's one of us.
Martin.
And if you manage to find him, give him whatever help you can.
You
He's a
trying to
master
talk while you're drinking right
strategist,
there?
And he got caught working for our cause. It'd be good to have him back here at the Hound Pits.
Back here to the Hound Pits. Okay, so now I have to go see Samuel. Alright, I'm pretty sure we did a thorough job of looking around here last time, so I don't think that we missed anything.
Corvo.
Oh, hey.
Hello.
Lydia?
I'm Callista.
Oh, never mind.
I work here for Admiral Havelock. I'm sorry to intrude on your business, but this is important.
Okay,
I
what is
suspect you're going to kill the High Overseer.
Uh-huh.
That wretched man. There's really no reason for you to listen to me. But my uncle, Jeff Kernow, still serves as captain in the City Watch.
Okay, and your
But
point
he's a
is?
good man, and my only family.
Uh.
The chatter in servant circles is that Campbell just took delivery of an exotic poison. And I think I know why.
Ah,
My uncle's not corruptible like the rest of them. Campbell is going to poison my uncle.
ooh,
Do you think you could protect him?
I certainly
You
could.
used to do that, right?
Yes, I am
Before
the
you
Lord
had your
Protector.
current
Or
profession.
I was.
Before you became an assassin.
What? Why you gotta talk down to me when you say that? Senor Rita Tight Pants? That didn't come out too well. Anyway, talk.
Just wondering, sir, if you thought about perhaps seeing Piero before venturing into the Overseer's nest.
Oh, seriously?
I'd recommend going with the best gear you can get together.
I already freaking... He told me to go talk to you. Where's Piero? Where's this son of a bee? Piero. Oh, here you are.
What can I do for you?
Let's talk about upgrades and how much money. I don't even know how much money I have. 588 coins. Okay. Upgrades. Whoopgrad. Mass optics, bullet capacity, grenade, bone charm. I think we're good for now. Can I take that though? Oh, no. Oh, hey, that door's open now. Sweet. Alright, I'm pretty sure we're good.
Part of the soul live in the heart? If the heart keeps beating, does that mean that the spirit is never released into oblivion?
I don't know. You're using too weird of words for me.
Ever with electricity. What?
Anyway, who cares? Let's go.
Ready to go?
Yes.
Just give the signal.
Don't second guess my thoughts. Wait a while, I need to do something. Let's go. Take me to the distillery district. Let's go. Put that mask on, boy. Or me. Me, myself, and I. So here we are at the distillery district.
It'll be a rough trip.
Yeah.
Used to be to go straight up Clavering Boulevard, but now it's not so easy. Half the city's dead of the plague. The other half's fighting over what's left.
Yeah. I'm gonna be
Citywide
fighting
still
too.
holds the bigger streets, and they've set up those wall of light checkpoints.
Oh yeah.
He walks through one of those, and he ends up burned to a crisp. Everything not controlled by the City Watch is gang territory. Then there are the real odd birds living on the fringes, like that Granny Rags. They say she's nuts.
Oh, Granny Rags.
I don't know which is worse.
She's creepy as hell,
Just take your pick.
but she's pretty hot. You'll see what I mean. I don't really need that, but I might as well just eat it because. Oh yeah, I just took your stuff. Now he's got nothing to eat while I'm over here kicking some booty. Oh shoot.
Keep him in the boat.
Okay.
Canal's got enough shit in
Here's
it.
where I'm not joking around. Ooh. Okay. Here we go.
Hey, what is it?
Alright.
I think that last one was moving.
What?
Yeah, the little one.
Not possible. I inspected them myself. Keep working.
Here we go. Let's get this guy.
He ain't moving no more.
Well, he ain't moving. Well, he ain't moving no more. Oh,
Disgusting.
what?
Keep them coming.
No! No!
Help me.
I just want to talk to you. I can't.
Attention,
Can't I talk to you?
John
No?
Clavering Boulevard has been designated a restricted travel
I didn't
area.
mean to do
Any
anything.
citizens are liable
Hold on.
to search or imprisonment.
Can I just talk to you? Hey.
Someone help.
Oh my gosh. This woman. Am I right? Okay.
Half the block dead from the plague. Better them than us. At least some of them had money.
Where? Okay. Okay. Check this out. So I'm going to... Oh, these guys are ridiculous.
1, 2, 3, heave!
Heave! I feel like there's another person coming around. Ah! Oh my god. This is ridiculous. Something weird.
3, heave!
Good. Keep them coming.
I don't... Frick. Okay. Where's my blink? No, blink. There you go.
One, 2, 3, heave!
Here I go. Boom. No, you didn't see it. You didn't see it. Okay. I gotta get over there.
1, 2, 3, heave!
Nope. Alright, I got up. Oh shoot. Okay, I'm good. Can I get up here? I can. And then I come down here. I get the bone charm. Bone charms provide small supernatural benefits. Oh yeah, okay, sweet. So these are just like you can have people be less accurate when they shoot you or other stuff like that. Just like kind of random stuff, I guess. Eat. I don't need that though. No? Shoot. Okay. I guess I have to go back around. Up. Come around the side. Oh, crap.
Yeah.
Get up there.
And the sick ones go into cages and off to the flooded district.
Couple of them didn't look too sick.
Can't take chances. They even look a little greener.
Oh, McGill's. So off they go.
I love that, how they just like totally... I don't think I'm gonna kill these guys, because I want to try to stay as secretive as possible. Oh, that guy's right there. So I'll just... Nope, get down.
Attention, Dunwall citizens. This is a special
I probably will
announcement
kill
from
this
our
guy, though.
honorable Lord Regent. This is the Lord
Where?
Regent's
Ooh, ooh,
regret that I am
ooh. Slice it and dice it. Who saw? Oh, shoot.
this continuing crisis.
Shoot, 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 shoot.
Overseers of the Abbey of the Everyman remain in
Ooh, there's an oil tank. See? I can take that and kill these guys. Play your way pathways. Oh, okay, so this is where I can, like, control the rats and go through, or I can put in this and put them in there. Note to Sergeant Hayburn. Nah. I got a spring razor. I got a rewire tool. Oh, these can help me, I can, like, take over, alarm systems, I believe. I will bet you.
You'll keep running if you know what's good for you.
I think you'll keep running if you know what's good for you. Why does my thing keep flashing red?
Huh?
Oh, you son of a bitch. I'm gonna get this bastard.
Someone help me out! I know you're here. Watch it!
Get up, dude.
Got you in the river.
I got you. I got you. I got you. Yes! Okay. So much for being sneaky. As usual, am I right? Oh, loot him. I guess I'll have to find somewhere to get some health. Who saw me? No one saw me. Okay. I'm gonna come over this way. There's some rats.
Garbage, 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 all.
Okay, so this is, can't I zoom in or something? No? I don't know. This is Granny, Rags, I think is her name, yeah. Hello, Granny Rags? Where'd you go? You're an old lady, you can't move that fast. So, as you can tell, Granny Rags is, insane. But, let's go meet her.
Granny, Granny, Granny,
There she
come
is.
out with me instead.
Dude.
Granny, 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 you can't be.
You're dead. This place is super creepy, I swear. Oh, pick up the morning urn. Oh, food. Sweet. I don't remember if she's, like, violent. I don't think she is. For safe measure, let's take this and throw it at her. Talk to her.
Dear?
Yep.
Is that you, my
Is she
dear
blind?
husband? My eyes aren't what they used to be.
Yeah, I
Have
guess
you
she's
seen my
blind.
little birdies? Ah, the dear things must be starving without their granny. Here, birdies.
Birdies.
Here.
Birdies.
Oh, my. I think I have gentlemen callers again, but not the way I used to, not the nice ones.
For sex.
I hear them. And they're not very polite ones either. Granny Rags,
I think
Granny
these are
Rags, let us
the
in.
what's
Oh,
the
well,
something gang?
They'll go away
They're
again if they
they're
know
in
what's
a
good
game.
for them.
Gang.
What a bother. Here's the key to the front door, love. You'll see to those ruffians, won't you?
I guess. Hold on though, because if I take out my heart, it will tell me that there's a rune here. I mean, I already knew there was the rune here, but anyway. Play your way, powers. Okay. And here comes what's his face. Yep.
Be careful, Corvo. They call her Granny Rags. You wouldn't recognize her real name, or even the name of her family. But an emperor begged for her hand once.
Wow.
And rich young men fought each other for her favor. I watched her consider them all, measure their worth, and find them wanting.
So?
Then, she made a different choice.
What?
You're on your way to face
Quit
the High
crossing your
Overseer,
arms.
the leader of a great cult dedicated to loathing me. What will you do, I wonder?
Oh. Wait, who's the cult? Is it the gang that I was talking about? The Bottle Street Gang? I think that's what their name is. That name just came to me, so I think that's what it is. Anyway,
I think the little birdies are sad today.
the little birdies are birding the birds. Okay. Unlock it.
Granny.
Check it out. Boom!
Come on. Let's get
Boom! You are oh no. Oh, sweet. Loot your ass. You don't have anything. I'll loot your ass. I guess I should use the elixir. I guess. Okay. Elixir. Thank you. I don't understand, man. So what is the point of her? Oh, talk to her again.
Oh, my dear. I knew you'd help me with those ill-mannered boys. My brave man.
You're welcome.
Listen, Granny has a birthday present for you.
Ooh.
I got it from the outsider, and now I'm giving it to you.
I thought the outsider didn't like you.
It's
Or
upstairs.
maybe, I don't know.
On the vanity. I think you'll cut a nice figure with it. Remember how we used to dance?
No, because
Our
I'm like
parties were even
half your
grander than
age.
those at the Boyle Manor. Everyone
Well, in this
wanted
game.
to come.
Maybe even less in real life. Okay. Equipped their heart. Okay. Oh, up.
I think the little birdies are sad today.
The little birdies are birds. Ooh. Get that room.
I hope you like
Oh
the
my
little
God.
gift I got for you.
She's so
It's the
creepy.
least I could do for turning those louts away. I can't bear these Bottle Street children.
Yeah.
Ruffians, every
Bottle
last
Street gang.
one of them. Rotten
I was
apples.
right.
And that Slackjaw is the worst.
Slackjaw.
You know what I just thought of?
Huh.
You could do something else for me.
What?
Another little favor.
No.
And I'd give you another present.
Okay.
Another lovely rune carved from the bones of a dead whale.
Ooh.
Do you remember my doctor, dear? Dr. Galvani?
I don't.
Now there was a clever man.
Yeah.
He's got all
So
sorts of
clever.
nasty rat guts and disease in his laboratory. Wouldn't it be a shame if some of that mess found its way into the Bottle Street Gang's elixir still?
Ooh.
See to it, dear. I'll find you another present just like the first.
Thank you.
Galvani lives on Clavering Boulevard.
I don't know why, but I
At least he used
kind of
to.
wanted to kill her, but now I
Those
don't.
were the days.
Because she's gonna give
Now
me a
run
gift.
off. My baby birdies are hungry.
Where? Who are your baby birdies, and where are they? Okay. Mission clues updated. Bottle Street Gang, the bootleg elixir. Okay. So, it's down this way, I'm pretty sure. But I want to make sure that I get the, doctor's thing first. You know, he's got, like, the bubonic plague, like, concentrated into a rat or something. So, we have to take that rat or something and bring it to the Bottle Street Gang elixir maker. I can't. I know it sounds kind of stupid when I say it like that, but you know, whatever. Alright, so now what we can do. Oh, shoot. Where? Who? Oh, this son of a bitch. Bastard! Dude! Yeah, I kind of just decided I'm gonna try to be sneaky when I want to, but if I'm not, then like I don't really care. Cause, you know. So I could have taken this and I could have totally exploded them. But I decided not to. I can take this and I can rewire it. See, I can use the rewire tool, but I don't want to. I think I'm just gonna go up this way using my blink. And there you go. Here we go. Thanks. Ooh. Clavering Boulevard. So let's go ahead and get down here. Ooh. Okay.
You crazy? They can hear anything you say.
I don't give a rat's ass.
I don't give a
Really
rat's
don't.
rat.
They took my uncle's business over there. 7 strictures bullshit.
Don't be stupid. I've been watching how they operate. They're disciplined.
City Watch owns these streets. That's not gonna change.
Oh shoot. That was stupid.
Gotcha now.
I got you. You're dead.
Attention, Dunwall citizens.
You're
John
dead.
Clavering Boulevard
Okay.
has been designated a restricted travel area.
Okay.
Any
Oh, there
citizens are liable to search
there's a
or
rat.
imprisonment.
Where's this
at the
guy? Does this guy
discretion
have
of the
anything?
city
Please,
watch.
no! He doesn't have anything. Pouches. Why do these bodies have pouches but nobody else does? This is lame. There you go. What? That guy can go through?
You gotta bleed.
Or you gonna bleed? Okay. That's what I'm talking about. You're dead. Ooh. Oh, shoot. There's so many of you guys. There are so many of you guys. I'm dead. Okay, I'm dead.
You made someone a
You
widower.
made someone a widower, man. Yeah, so did you. We don't know if I had a wife or anything. Okay, so that got a little crazy. I think that's a little bit of an understatement, actually. But, yeah, so here I am, just kind of moving around up here. Just doing my thing. This is a big level, guys. Okay, so we're gonna come down. Boom. I like how the voices like get slowered. They get slowed down when you use your blink. But that's Galvani's office.
Stupid cut.
I don't think anyone saw that. Awesome. Look over. Where did those guys go? Are they just gone? Oh, here's one guy. There you go. And I'll put this guy over here. And I'll put this guy over here. And into Galvani's office. Alright, here we are in Galvani's office. It's pretty awesome. It's a really big place, actually. Oh, okay. This is kind of sketchy, actually. I should use that. Open this, get in here, close it. Close it. Thank you. Read it, but don't read it. Let's see. Open it. Bullets! Bully, yo. Avoiding the rat plague. See? Oh, this is what I was talking about last episode. There's that thing, you can take it. And I guess you can't take it, but you can in real life. And then you throw it out. And you just... Can I drink a little water? No? I thought I could. Anyway, here we keep going on trucking.
Oh, no. Stupid goddamn.
Stupid goddamn. I thought I heard something, like a man. Like a manly man. Eat. Here we go. Huh? You didn't see me. You didn't hear me. You didn't do nothing. This place is kinda creepy but cool as well. Feeding log. 13th day, 17th day, 20th day. Boom.
Huh?
Oh no! No! You didn't see me. Where did that guy? Okay, he didn't follow me. Good. Good. Great and good. Where's this bastard? There he is. Here we go. Thank you. You don't have anything for me though. Eat it.
Huh? Seen anything scary? Another night, another patrol with you.
Another night, another patrol with you. He's talking down to his bro. Even though I think that they're not bros if they're talking like that to each other. Eat that blood sausage. Even though I'm full health and I'm probably gonna lose my health pretty soon. Okay. Nope. Thank you. And then I'll get this guy. None of these guys have anything. What is up with this place? See? I told you. I'm gonna be sneaky when I can, but when I'm not able to do it, I don't care. So let's go on ahead and head upstairs.
Wait, did you touch the door handle to Dr. Galvani's lab?
Wait.
Yeah, I think so.
Then you have to scrub. The rats get their vital essences everywhere, the doctor said.
Oh my gosh.
Vital essences? Does that mean nuts?
I think so. So your hands need scrubbing.
Your hands need scrubbing. Okay, I think this is Dr. Galvani's room. Oh, hey. Dr. Galvani's journal. The 28th day of the 7th month. I think that's a, what's it called? A code for the, you know, 50 coins. For his safe. I think it's 28-7, or it's 728, which one of those. I think we're going to stop the episode here, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you come back when we'll be exploring the rest of Galvani's office, and we'll hopefully be destroying the Bottle Street Gang. So thank you, bye!